Now we're gonna take a look at Seattle a little bit. Saw the Chihuly glass garden, whatever it is. Really pretty park. Alright, so goodbye, Norwegian Bliss. Yep. You were a wonderful host. Now we're gonna take a look at Seattle a little bit.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
This is the fish market where they throw the fish. They have a fishmonger out here and they throw the fish back and forth. I don't know. It's weird. It's a thing they do. Did the Amazing Race do a thing in here?
I don't remember. They have a Seattle Kraken sticker in there.
Oh, yep.
Go in there?
Sure. Rabbit. There's a tea place.
Well, I better go in there.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
There's so much stuff in here, it's crazy. Fish stands everywhere, there's chicken stand, they've got flowers, all kinds of stuff. Here's a sausage place.
So much, like, live music.
Look, he has suggested donation for his CDs. So like you can take a CD and then just give whatever you want.
What was that?
They're making cheese. World's best smoked salmon mac and cheese. Here it is. Yep.
There's the original Starbucks. No, it's gonna be Starbucks. You walk past it, that's all. Yep.
1912.
Pike Place.
I was telling Kira this reminds me of San Francisco a lot.
Really?
Yeah. Well, it is cuter, but just like the little alleyways and stuff.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Oh, so sorry.
No, please.
After
I
you.
want to get a video of this.
Run him over. Yeah. I'm just trying to deliver.
Yeah. Slow down.
Now I'm in trouble.
This place is so cute. It is. A nice fresh pizza in Post Alley. Crazy. Got off a big cruise. I mean, the fact that like we just did a big cruise through Alaska with all these cities, and now here we are in Seattle. It's great too. Man, we've done a ton of traveling this year. I was gonna say summer, but it's not summer. That was a delicious pizza and pasta from the Pizza and Pasta Bar in Post Alley. So I would recommend going there. A little pricey, but everything here is going to be pricey. You're in a big city, so it's going to be hard to find anything that's not expensive. So now we're going to make our way up to the where are we going?
Monorail?
Yeah, to the monorail station in like Market Center. Yeah, that way. Right. And we're gonna take the monorail, maybe. We'll see what happens when we get there. Over to the Space Needle.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
So we've made it to the Seattle Center. This is like a big park complex. There's a lot of stuff here. They have the Seattle Center Armory, which is like an event hall. Climate Pledge Arena is down there where the Kraken play. Over here is the Space Needle, of course, and then the Chihuly Glass Garden, which we're going to, something like that. I'm saying it wrong. And then the Museum of Pop is over here. Science Center. This is like a major cultural park. They've got museums and shops and all kinds of stuff. Really nice place. Very pretty and cute, and it's a beautiful day. I mean, it's overcast, but it feels nice. It's cool, but not raining. So we've gotten lucky again on our last day here.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
place is, yeah, pretty amazing. Very interesting, and the sculptures in with the plants is very cool. You've got some crazy ones in here.
The inside building part was neat too.
Yeah, all the galleries and arts and stuff. The colors in the trees just look great
Well,
in here.
I mean, it is the season,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, being here in the fall is pretty cool. Did you see this big, huge green one?
Mm-hmm.
That's
It looks
crazy.
so deserty, like
That one?
Yeah.
Like a cactus?
yeah, very cool.
Oh, he's showing how he does it. He's showing how they do it. Well, that was very cool seeing all the stuff in a little short day in Seattle. Got to go to the Pike's Market and the city center. Went up in the Space Needle, saw the Chihuly glass garden, whatever it is. Really pretty park, especially with these fall colors. But now it's time to head to the airport and catch our plane and go on home. Until next time.
What a fun day in Seattle. It's so fun.